The MIGO Ascender is an impressive stair-climbing robot vacuum designed by MIGO Robotics. Let's explore its remarkable features. Stair-climbing capability. The MIGO Ascender defies gravity by navigating stairs with ease. It can conquer stair heights of up to 8.7 inches, making it ideal for multi-level homes and spaces with varying floor levels. LiDAR and vision technology. Equipped with LiDAR scanners and advanced vision capabilities, the Ascender intelligently maps its surroundings. This fusion of environmental sensing and reconstruction allows it to move efficiently and avoid obstacles. 2-in-1 vacuum and mop. The Ascender isn't just about vacuuming, it also includes a mopping function. Keep your floors clean and fresh with this versatile robot. Square body and omnidirectional wheels. Its square body design ensures efficient edge cleaning, while omnidirectional wheels provide smooth movement in any direction. Large capacity battery. With a robust battery, the Ascender can cover substantial areas, up to 5,167 square feet. Fully enclosed dock. When it's time to recharge, the Ascender docks in a fully enclosed base station, ensuring a neat and organized setup. Here are some of the pros and cons of the MIGO Ascender. Pros: effortless whole home cleaning, smart and efficient cleaning, convenience and time saving. Cons: availability and price, real-world performance, after-sales support. Overall, the MIGO Ascender presents a significant innovation in robot vacuum technology with its stair-climbing capabilities. For those frustrated with multi-floor cleaning, it has the potential to be a game-changer. However, considering it's a Kickstarter project, there's a certain level of caution necessary due to the lack of long-term reviews and established sales practices. Thanks for watching. See you in next video.